back. And we back. Good morning, boys and girls. We are back for another vlogs. Number 7, man. That's crazy. I've never been this consistent before. 7 vlogs in a row? Like, what the heck? Normally I upload like 2 videos, disappear for 2 years, come back, upload another video, say I'm back for good, I'm about to be consistent, and then disappear again. So this is new for me, son. I've never been this consistent. Anyways, we are in North Dakota. I know in my last video I said I have no clue where the heck I was going because I didn't have a pre-plan yesterday. Literally right when I ended that video I got a pre-plan, but I was like, I'm not gonna pick up the camera again. So yeah, I went to the terminal yesterday. I got a truck and trailer inspection. I ended up having to drop the trailer to have it worked on, so I got a new empty, but we are headed to my pickup in Grand Forks, North Dakota. And actually I have 2 pickups, and I've never had a load like this. It's pretty weird. I pick up in Grand Forks, North Dakota, and then I have to drive like 500 miles to Omaha, Nebraska for a second pickup. So, you know, I've had 2 pickups before, but they were usually right next to each other. Actually, I think I've only had 2 pickups once. So, but yeah, that's the plan. We got to pick up here 13 miles away and then head to Omaha for tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. For my second. And then it delivers all the way in South Bend, Indiana. So not too bad. I mean, I think it's only like, shoot, 500 something miles from Omaha when we get there. So it's not bad. So what is that? It's like, counting my empty miles, I think it's in total, it's like 1,600 miles, 1,500 miles, somewhere around there. So not too bad. We will take it. But yeah, man, it's a little chilly this morning. My truck, well, it just said 3 degrees, but it went up to 4 just now. I think it got down to 0 last night, or 1, or somewhere around there. So pretty chilly, but we stayed pretty warm in here. But yeah, man, we're just gonna get down the road here to North Dakota, Grand Forks, or Grand Forks, North Dakota. I don't know why I said it like that. And pick up this first load. All right, boys. Well, we got us one of them there fancy door things, door 4, right here in the yonder. It's pretty easy. I still gotta open my doors, but I think I might have room. Yeah, I should have room when I back up. Hope this guy gets the heck out of my way. Alright. I honestly thought it was going to be a lot longer because they made me park across the street. But it was only like 15 minutes and they called me, so. Some dude was in there pissed off because he was late. And they were like, oh yeah, we're going to have to work you in. There's like 5 trucks ahead of you. Poor guy. He said he got stuck twice on the way here. Dude probably had a real bad time getting here. Oh, okay. Straighten up a little bit. I think we were pretty much straight, but fix it a little bit more. Back up. Oh. Now I gotta go open my doors. Alright, boys. He said not to slide my tent. I didn't have to slide my tents, but I went ahead and did a little bit because they were all the way to the front. And I don't like them being all the way to the front. And my truck is wanting to fly right now for some reason. Come on, baby. Nice and easy. Don't. Last video I slammed into it. My truck is just not going back slowly right now. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Bam, Bella, we're good. We're all good, Bella. Alright, boys, we gotta sit here, get loaded, and then head to Omaha, Nebraska for my second pickup. boys, we are at my second stop. This place is definitely kind of interesting. I have to back off the street. I'm gonna turn off these stupid freaking hazards. I gotta turn off the street, or back in off the street right here through this gate right here. And the street doesn't have enough room for me to swing into the entrance there, so I'm gonna have to come up on this dirt right here, which it looks like trucks park up there all the time, so it shouldn't matter. But and you guys got to remember the GoPro has a wide lens on it, so it makes everything, you know, look a lot more open than what it actually is. But the only door I see is this one next to this trailer right here. He said he had to move his car for me, so I'm thinking maybe there's doors in those bays right there, and I'm gonna have to back into one of those. I'm not 100% sure yet. I would like for it to be the door, because once I get backed in off the street right here, that door will be pretty much a straight back, so I can just ease on back. But we'll see. Either way, we're gonna get it in there. I'm gonna try to get the drone out maybe, because I don't know, I feel like this would be a good back to record from the sky. I think it'd be pretty cool. But yeah, man, we're just kind of sitting over here on the side of the road. That's what he told me to do. That's why I had my hazards on. I forgot. I was like, why the heck did I even got those on? Now they ain't coming on. There we go. But yeah, boys, we're gonna sit here and get backed in, and yeah. All right, boys, they're putting me in door one like I was hoping for. So let's see if we can get this bad girl in there. And I got the drone up, so hopefully we can get a pretty sick drone view. Trying to swing in here. Shouldn't be too bad. Let's see what we can do with that. And there's another gate. Make sure I'm good over there. I already forgot where that other gate was at. I want to make sure I don't hit it. Oh yeah, we're good. We're good, Bella. It don't hurt to double check. Not too shabby. I still gotta open my doors. So let me get out and do that. See if we can finish her off. Gotta be on the line. Damn, we're in there. But alright, boys, so I gotta sit here and get loaded. It's only 4 pallets, so I should be out of here in just a couple minutes and then be on the road. Alright boys, we made it to our delivery after a long 30 seconds. Looks like we got a straight back here. Door 7 he said, so I don't see no numbers. Pretty sure this is door 7 though, so yeah, we don't even have to open our doors here. One of those places, real easy. My mirrors are dirty, can't see jack. Let's see, it should be good enough. I didn't see any more doors, so I'm pretty sure this is door 7. Let's see. I tried cleaning my mirrors, but they were frozen. The cleaner at the truck stop was frozen. He said they open the doors from the inside. I love places like that. It's just so easy. And they call me when I'm unloaded, so I don't have to sit there and stare at a light. Can't beat it. I already got my pre-plan. I'm picking up in Chicago and I'm going to Sumner, Washington. I haven't been up there in forever. Last time I was up in Washington was with CFI. I remember going to Tacoma with CFI and freaking getting a trailer with a flat, or I was picking up a preloaded trailer and had a flat tire. That was the last time I was up there in Washington. Oh, we found it, boys. Alright boys, well, we're in here. I had to end up doing a split last night, so I only slept like 6 hours. So I'm gonna unload this and then I'm gonna go to the truck stop and take like a 2 or 3 hour break and then pick up my pre-plan. So if you boys want to see that, I know there's some beautiful scenery up there in Washington, so I'll be able to get the drone out. Hey, Bandit girl, I love you. But yeah boys, that's the plan. I'm gonna sit here and get unloaded.